Good morning everybody, and what I wanted to give you guys is a heads up. Usually the last day of the month is a great day to print off coupons that you were thinking of printing off and you haven't, because sometimes these reset. So they also added 2 new coupons for you guys. They added the Hershey Gold, and then they added the Hershey Gold off of 2 candy bar coupons. Definitely do those because I've been seeing some good deals with CVS and Walgreens with those, and there may be some deals with Ibotta coming up. I'm not sure, so definitely print those off. And if there's any of these coupons that you guys want to print them off, because some of them will reset. Just wanted to give you guys a heads up, so I'm just going to go through my coupons and see if there's anything that I want to print that I think I'm going to be using. So here's like $1 off of 2 scrubbing bubbles. You guys could print that off. I do know we have some inserts of that, so if you guys wanted to do that. But I know a lot of like the generic coupons, like the cereal coupons, those always reset every time. But yeah, let's just see what else. Hold on. I'm just going to go down to the bottom, you guys. Okay, so I got the Hershey Gold, so I don't know if the play tax will reset, but if you guys are interested in that, I'm going to add this $1.25 off of 3 Keeblers. Here we have a chocolate minis that was added more during the middle of the week, so I'm going to print off that. The razors most likely will reset. CoverGirl will reset. OxyClean, I'm not sure. Dove, I don't know. I'm hoping the Dial and the Perel resets. But yes, definitely, and I'm hoping this one resets, but I know it probably will not. So definitely print coupons. This is your last day to print them, and I will bring you guys another video of new coupons to print. See you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.